Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today, we're making a delicious keto-friendly treat, chewy chocolate chip cookies. These are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without breaking your ultra-low-carb diet. But first, here's a shout out to Carolyn for sharing this delicious recipe on her YouTube channel, All Day I Dream About Food. Now, let's get started. For the dry ingredients, we have 200 grams of almond flour, 3/4 of a cup of 0-calorie brown sugar substitute. I'm using swerve erythritol, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a cup of zero sugar chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans, if desired, and a pinch of salt. Our wet ingredients consist of a half a cup of melted butter, 1 large egg, and if you like, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra flavor boost. Give the dry ingredients a good whisk until everything is well combined. This helps to ensure that our cookies have an even texture and taste. Next, add the wet ingredients to the dry mixture. Using a rubber spatula, mix everything together until you form a consistent paste. Now, it's time to add the fun stuff. We'll fold in half a cup of sugar-free chocolate chips and, if you like, 2 tablespoons of chopped pecans for a little crunch. This part is totally optional but highly recommended. Once everything is well combined, form the dough into a large ball and divide it into 18 equal portions. Roll each portion into a ball about 1.5 inches in diameter. Place them on a parchment-lined baking pan, spacing them about 1 to 2 inches apart. Flatten each ball slightly to about 3/4 of an inch in thickness. This helps them bake evenly. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Bake the cookies for 15 to 18 minutes, until they plump up and the edges start to brown. Our cookies are done. Let them cool and harden on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes before digging in. This helps them set and gives you that perfect chewy texture. And there you have it, delicious, chewy, keto-friendly chocolate chip cookies. Perfect for any time of the day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time. Happy baking!